into. Okay, so that's what. Everybody try to download the Telegram Brainwiz CRT group. And thank you everyone. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Now listen, everybody. When A is students, when A is 3 parts, B is 2 parts, and in turn when B is 3 parts, C is 4 parts. Understanding what I mean to say that? Okay, so here students, B is not same. Here B is not same. Here B is 2. Here B is 3. B is not same. So when we do this question, we have to make this B same. Are you understanding, students? We have to make this B same. How to make these same? Multiply something and multiply something so that it balance, students. Something I'm multiplying here. Say I'm multiplying 3 here. Say I'm multiplying 2 here. LCM, you take LCM and you can multiply. Okay. So when you multiply, it is equal. I will say, let me just try to multiply here. 3 3 is a beta 9. And 3 2s are what? 6. Is it fine, everybody? Good. Once again, 2 3s are what? 6. And students, what is 2 4s are? 8. You all know that. Is it fine, everybody? Now you all tell me, when A is 9 pieces, when A is 9 pieces, B is 6 pieces at that point of time. When A is 9 pieces, B is 6 pieces. And in turn, when B is 6 pieces, B is 6 pieces, C is 8 pieces. So we can say now 9, 6, 8, because these two are same. Because these two are same. I hope everybody have understood. Clear? I hope everybody have understood this thing. Yes or no? Listen, everybody. First you listen. 5 into 6 into 2. Just listen. Don't try to do anything. I know you have books and pen and paper. Just listen. If you want the A value, you are supposed to multiply all these vertical values. Following, everybody? Good. Second value, B. If you want B, try to multiply all these things. 3 into 6 into 2. Are you understanding, everybody? Who is the third fellow? Third fellow is C. If you want third fellow, come like this and multiply these corner values. 3 into 5 into 2. 3 into 5 into 2. Are you understanding, everybody? If you want is all, like a fourth value, D, multiply all these things. 3, 5, 5. 3, 5, 5. Are you understanding, everybody? This is one of the best and the shortcut way of doing this. Everybody, listen carefully. No need to copy, doing something. These are the values which you are getting, okay? A, B, C, D. Once again, I repeat for you, okay? If you want A value, multiply this one. If you want B value, multiply this thing. If you want C value, multiply these all. If you want D value, multiply all these things. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, no worries. We have done all these things. Now, what shall we do? Multiply, then cancel, or cancel and then multiply. So you tell me, what shall we do first? Multiply all these people and then later cancel, or cancel all these people then later multiply? So your brain says very simple, sir. First, let's try to take a common and cancel them. Am I right, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to take a common. Who is a common here? Who is a common, beta? Who is a common? 2 is common. 2 is common. No, 2 is not here. 2 is not here. 2 is not common. So what is common? I don't know. Let's try to move across and just try to see here. Cancel and multiply. That's good. Okay. Common. Who is a common here? 5. 5 is a common. No, 3 is a common. 3 out. 3 out. 3 out. 3 2s are. Following, everybody? Is anybody else is common? No. 2 into 2 into 2. Bolo beta, what is 2 into 2 into 2? That is 20. What is 6 into 2? That is 12. What is 5 into 2? That is 10. What is 5 into 5? 25. Hope you also got the same answer what I got it. Hope you got the same answer what I got it. So this is one of the easy way of doing the question. I mean to say, this is one of the easy way of doing the question where you can just try to get the answer very faster. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, seriously. Okay, shall I just try to tell you here? Shall I just tell you once again? Have a look, everybody. Look at that. So what we have done, students, what we have done, we have made these two balancing. Listen, everybody, we have made these two balancing and make these two same and then do it. No, 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 no. No need to do all this stuff. Whenever you wanted to find out the combined ratio, just try to listen, everybody. Whenever you have to find the combined ratio, you have to just multiply like this. Listen, everybody. Now, in this ratio, who is the first fellow? A. Who is the second fellow? B. Who is the third fellow? C. Are you understanding? If you want the first fellow, just multiply this thing. First fellow, yes sir, 3 into 3, that is 9. Second fellow, come like this, come like this. 3 2s are 6. C is a third fellow. If you want third fellow, multiply 8. So answer is 9:6:8. Now, sometimes this kind of question was given in one of the entrance examination. That's the reason I'm teaching you this question. If you see the screen here, on the screen he did not give you ratios. On the screen he gave you equations. Let me just read the first equation. The first equation is given. A is 2 by 5 of B. A is 2 by 5 of the B. Okay, everybody just listen here. A is equal to 2 by 5 of B. So students, this is not a ratio. This is the equation. Equation means like x is equal to 2 by 5 of y. So students, don't try to keep in your brain, sir, no x, no y, then how is that equation? No, students, try to understand. Wherever you have a simple equation symbol, that is said to be equation. It's not compulsory you should have x value, you should have y value. Remove from your brain. It's not x and y what you are supposed to see here. It can be a, b, c, x, y, z also, okay? Suppose you have p, 2p, 2p is equal to 5q. This is also equation. Try to understand that, okay? Don't try to, some students are there. They think, sir, what is this? They think this is not a equation, but the equation is given to you. Try to understand that, students, okay? Now, this equation is given. What is said then the second equation? B is equal to 5 by 3 of C. Third one, C is equal to 4 by 5 of D. Same fashion he gave you, D is equal to 3 by 2 of E. Are you understanding, everybody? So this question was given to you, students. So all these equations have to be converted. All these equations have to be converted into ratios. And then find out the relationship between, students, the relationship between is what? A and E. I want only A and E relationship. Sir, if I wanted to find out A and E, you are giving me AB relationship, again BC relationship, again CD relationship, and DE relationship. And now you want A and E relationship. What is this, sir? What is this? You gave me all the different and asking me first and last. So there is no issues. Students, what we are supposed to do? We have to just try to make one ratio of this thing. So let me just try to convert these ratios, this thing. Very simple. Students, what we need to do here is, let me tell you what to do now. Listen, everybody. So you all know the first one. Is it A is equal to 2 by 5 of B? Students, you just try to tell me, if I send this B on the left hand side, it will go to the numerator? No, it will not go to the numerator. You all know that. It goes to the denominator. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? So tell me, what can I call it as? A is to B. A by B is what, beta? 2 by 5. Means 2 is to 5. Are you understanding, everybody? You have to do the parivartan of these equations into ratios. Samajh mein aa raha hai? I think you're understanding this. Clear? Now, students, let's try to move forward now. Okay? Now, clear? Once again, B is to C. Students, B is to C means B by C is 5 is to 3. That we can say 5 is to 3. Are you understanding, everybody? C is to D is what, beta? 4 by 5, 4 is to 5. Following up with last one, D by E, this E comes down, D is to E is what, beta? Is nothing but 3 is to 2. So we are not supposed to find out all, beta. We are not supposed to find out all. We are supposed to find out the relationship between A and E. I want the relationship between A and E. How to get A value? Multiply all these things. How to get E value? Multiply all these things. Hope you all know that. Don't say, sir, I don't know. A and E we've already done. Huh? That is 2, 5, 4, 3. You all know that. And same fashion, 5, 3, 5, 2. Okay. Now, as you all know that, Reshma, you all know that. Archana, okay, yeah, you all know that. So, A is to E is 4 is to 5. A is to E is 4 is to 5. Student, my question is not ratio. My question is not ratio. My question is, what fraction of England is Agra? Sir, A by E. I'm looking at this thing and telling A by E is 4 by 5. When E goes on the right hand side, what happens? A is equal to 4 by 5 of E. How much of England is Agra? Half of England is Agra. 2/3 of England is Agra. 1 by 2 of England is Agra. 2/3, 5/4 or 4/5? 4/5. Answer is 4/5, students. Are you understanding, everybody? Still, it's not 5 by 4, it's 4 by 5. He's asking you, what part of England is Agra? All people. Now, sir, you gave me here direct on my face ratio. This all ratio is given to you. Try to do the ratio. But when you just try to check it out here, look at the screen, everybody. Here, he did not give you anywhere ratio. Everything is English statements. Apples, bananas, oranges, all these things are given to you. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, what to do, everybody? What to do, everybody? Let's try to have a look, everybody. He told you something around 2 apples cost as much as 5 bananas. Here he gave the relationship between apple, bananas. Okay, apple, bananas. 3 bananas cost you as much as 4 mangoes. Okay, banana mangoes relationship. 5 mangoes cost you as much as 4 oranges. Okay, mango oranges relationship. And he asked you students, listen everybody, if each apple is 24, tell me each orange is how much? Each apple is 24. Each apple is 24. What is each orange? So he's asking you relationship between apple, orange. Following, everybody? So like this also the students will give, like questions will be coming to you. So let me just try to teach you this question, everybody, on the screen. Everybody on the screen. Following, everybody? Chaliye. Now I'm writing the equation. Look how am I writing? 2 apples, yes sir. 5 bananas, yes sir. Understanding, everybody? 2 apples price is same as how many bananas? 5 bananas. Understanding, everybody? Shall I move forward? Okay. Now, sir, he gave you 3 bananas. 3 bananas price is same as 4 mangoes. Are you understanding, everybody? I'm just writing equations. You are telling the cost as much as same balancing. Okay. Now, beta, 5 mangoes cost you as much as 4 oranges. So these all things are what? These all things are what, beta? Equations. What all these are? Equations. Clear? So you know how it is a shortcut method of doing a ratios. So what do? I'll just try to do the parivartan of all these things into ratios. Now A is to B. Now B comes down. This 2 will come down. So A is to B is 5 is to 2. Try to understand that. What is A is to B? 5 is to 2. That's good. Now students, if I ask you banana is to mango. Banana is to mango is not 3 by 4. It is 4 when this goes down. 4 is to 3. Following, everybody, same fashion, mango is to orange. So, Baba, I want the relationship between what? I want the relationship between apple. I want the relationship between what? Apple and orange. Students, listen carefully. The next question is for you. Don't say, sir, I'm not understanding. Listen first carefully. No need to do it. I'm not asking you to do it. Please, Reshma, I'm not asking you to do it. Please try to listen first, because next question you should do on your own. Apple and orange relationship I want. Means apple and orange. You all know that. This apple and orange, first and last. You know how to do it. Who is apple, sir? This is apple. You all know that. Who is apple, sir? This is apple. And who is orange? This is orange. You all know that. Apple is what? 5 into 4 into 4. And this is 2 into 3 into 5. Are you understanding, everybody? Now you all tell me. Cancel or multiply? Multiply or cancel? This 5 I get cancel. You all know that. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Students have got the ratio. Apple is to orange is equal to क्या कहेंगे 8. 8 is to क्या बोलूं 3. That's good. 8 is to 3. Means apple is to orange, 8 is to 3 relationship. You only ask me, na sir, apple orange. I got the relationship between apple orange. Following now. Now, I have to take it back to the equation. How can I write it equation? Everybody listen very carefully. Apple by orange. Listen carefully, everybody. Apple by orange is 8 by 3. Apple by orange, 8 by 3. Listen carefully. Many students know. Many students know how to do it here. Many students know how to do it. Many students know how to get the ratio also. Almost all know. But after this, what is that you are supposed to find out? After this, what is that you are supposed to find out? Are you understanding, everybody? Apple is to orange is this thing. Okay. After this thing, you tell me what is the relationship here. When I'm sending 3 here, it goes here. It goes here. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. So we can say that. Just a second. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine, everybody? Just try to cross multiply this. So when you just try to cross multiply this, what happens, beta? What happens here? When you just cross multiply 3 apples cost you as much what? 8 oranges. What do you understand that? 3 apples cost you as much as 8 oranges. Try to understand this. 3 apples price is same as 8 oranges. Remember, 3 apples price is same as 8 oranges. What he told you, each apple price, tell me beta, each apple price is 24. Each apple price is 24. 3 into 24. 1 apple price is 24 he has given to you. 8 OR. So 8 ones are 8 threes are. So answer of 1 OR is equal to 9 rupees. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? Chaliye. Let's try to ask you people. Okay, let's try to ask you to people. Okay, have you understood this? Yes or no? Here you can put this on the paper. If not using this thing, you can put this one directly. If you know apple is to banana, 5 is to 2, directly you can keep this one. Banana is to mango, 4 is to 3, directly you can keep this one. You can avoid this step. Avoid this step. Why I have given you step to make you understand. Why I have given this step to you is making you understand. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? Clear? Now, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward now. Okay, what I'm going to do now? Rishita, once. I didn't understand. You want me to explain? Once again. Why once again, Rishita? Okay, hopefully you'll understand this. Do this question. Do this, Rishita. I'll explain you. Do this. I'll explain. Let me just tell you. I can understand that. We want the second one. We want the second one also. Try to understand that. C is 5 is to 11. Understanding everybody? A is to B plus C is 5 is to 11. Following everybody? Good. Now, let me just tell you one thing, students. This money belongs to whom? All. This money belongs to whom? All. Good, good. This ratio belongs to whom? All. I'm shouting for your understanding. This ratio belongs to whom? All. Shall I show you? Watch. Do you think who is this A? 5 parts. Who is this B and C? 11 parts. Means do you think total parts belongs to A, B, C, all? Yes. In this ratio, everyone is there. Understanding everybody? In this ratio, 5 is to 11, I'm telling you in this 5 is to 11, everybody is there, sir. In this 5 is to 11, everybody is there. This 4800 is 5 parts or 11 parts or total parts, total 11 parts, total 16 parts. Understanding what I mean to say? So try to understand. Everybody is there in the ratio. In this ratio, everybody is there. A is there, yes sir. B is there, yes sir. C is also there, yes sir. Everybody is there in the ratio. So this 4800 is everybody. So what shall I do now? Is this 4800 is 5 or 11 or 16? 16 pieces is 4800. 16 pieces is 4800. 16 pieces is 4800. 1 piece 400. 1 piece 400. 1 piece 400. 1 piece 400. 1. Give 5 pieces to A. Look at that. How many pieces should be given to A? If you just try to give 5 pieces to A, he will be satisfied. If you give 5 pieces to A, he will be satisfied. Give 5 pieces to A. 5 pieces. But what is 5 pieces? 2000. Sorry, one part is not 400, it's 300. I'm sorry for that. 300. Yeah, understood. That's it. That's it. समझ में आ रहा है? Sorry, Lal Krishna, it's not 400, it's 300. I'm sorry. Krishna, change your answer. This is not cutting. I did a cutting problem here. 1 piece is 300, not 400. Are you all getting properly? Is it fine? Good. Good, Sonia. But share of B, Vishaka. That's what but, Vishaka, what I'm telling you, but is bit, but share of B. Do you think for doing share of B, first equation or second equation? Second equation, beta. Second equation. Don't use first. Second is sufficient for second equation. What's that? B by A plus C is 7 by 9. B is to A plus C is 7 is to 9. Again you watch. Who is there in this ratio? B is there? Yes sir. A is there? Yes sir. C is there? Yes sir. Everybody is there? Yes sir. That's it. Everybody is there in this ratio. Again you have to do the same stuff. Again you have to do the same stuff. Who are you? I am everybody, sir. I am everybody. Are you understanding, everybody? So like this you'll get the share of B. Yes, 2100 I got. If I ask you share of C, means you have to do first this one. You have to do first this one and get the value of A, again get the value of B. Then after you get A value, B value, yes Anusha, I'm getting A value, B value. After you get this, from total amount you subtract A and B value. A value is 1500, B value is 2100, I told. Subtract these two from the 3600, you'll get, that's it. Are you all understanding? Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Come on. If you have understood, see the screen, everybody. Everybody try to see the screen. This was a question 2019. Last year, our students, many students shared this kind of question. Many students. I forgot to show my kind of Brainwiz sessions. Per batch, 300 students are there. Many students come from different parts of the country and they have their campus drives. And one of the student who is there, she has written this everything on the paper and give. Like this, everywhere you will find. Okay. Now, what is given over here in TCS 2019? In TCS 2019 here. This is a time. This is a number series. This is from time, speed and distance, and this is from ratios. In the ratios, look at the question. A is equal to 2/3 of B plus C together. C is equal to half of A plus C together. It's not my question. Seriously, it's a what question? Question from ratios. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? And this is time and work. And the last one is number system. So like this, people keep on sharing. Like this, we have collectively. Okay, clear? That's good. Thank you, Dheeraj. Okay, so what I mean to say that I'll give one question on the screen. Do it now. That's good. Get A value, get B value, and then see 800. That's good. Are you sure, everybody? Chalo. 800. Uday Bhaskar. Yes, 800. Very good. Hope you all people are loving how to just try to do it. Okay. Chaliye. Okay. So with the help of this, the session ends, and tomorrow we'll catch you in the second session of ratio and proportions. One session will not be sufficient. One is sufficient for partnership, not for this ratios. Ratios, we have to do a lot of milk, water, income, expenditure.